Well, good morning. Happy Wednesday. Sean Hammond here with you. It is January the 17th, and this is your weather briefing on Laker Country. Hope everybody's having a good start to your day. There's the radar at 5:49, coming up on 5:50 this morning, 10 minutes away from 6 a.m. Nothing going on. Maybe a few little light flurries off to our northwest, close to E-Town. You can see those little specks on the radar. Other than that, though, we have got ourselves a clean sweep. Now, temperatures, that is the big story. Very, very cold. I mean, the wind chill is really bad, but the temperatures, we've got that snowpack in place, and that snow is really bringing down those air temperatures. Let's check that out. These are temperatures as of, like I said, 5:50 this morning. So if you're watching this during the afternoon hours, these won't really be accurate. You can see 2 degrees right now in Russell County. Up there in Liberty, how about -6? And these are actual temperatures. These are not wind chills. These are coming straight off the Kentucky Mesonet. -6 in Somerset, -3 in Campbellsville, 0 over in Greensburg, -1 in Edmonton. And how about, again, these are on the Mesonet, -13 in Burkesville, -11 in Albany, and then 2 right now in Monticello. Now, those Mesonet stations in Burkesville and Albany, they're kind of in a low-lying area, so the temperatures are much colder where those stations are located. But nonetheless, though, you get the picture. It's really, really cold out there this morning. All right, let's jump into the models because we are watching out for our next chance of snowfall to come Thursday into Friday. So let's go straight to the GFS model here. And this is, again, we're going to go through each model and look and see what the amounts are showing up right now. And, then we'll go from there. So the GFS model, now this is Thursday into Friday. The GFS is projecting upwards of 2 to 3 inches for Russell County and the Lake Cumberland region. Some more significant snowfall off to our southeast. We'll jump over to the Euro now, the European model. And we will pull up or see what the European is saying in terms of snow potential. And the European, much lighter. Maybe 1 inch to 2 inches. You saw the GFS trying to put close to a foot down in southeastern Tennessee, and this run of the European way off from that. Let's go over to the Canadian model, and I will change the perspective here. There we go. All right, the Canadian model is projecting 1 inch to 2 inches. Let's go to the NAM. See if the NAM's going to go bam. And let me localize this view. There we go. And let's push it through here. And again, the NAM's kind of messy. 1 inch, maybe close to 2 inches. It's got a little bullseye in parts of central Kentucky. So again, the models are still not in total agreement, although the GFS is running pretty heavy. The one I like to use for snow is the HER model. That's the high resolution rapid refresh. Not really going to be able to use that until tomorrow because I think it only goes out like 24 hours. So it's not going to really be able to use that. But nonetheless, we do have the potential to see some accumulating snowfall tomorrow night, and in the Friday. Not ready to make any kind of projection yet, so we'll just leave you with this. The best chance looks to be in our region in points east and south, and also in the parts of central Kentucky. The further west you go, the more uncertainty, and it looks like the further west you go, you're just not really going to see much at all. But again, we'll have to just wait and see what happens. Y'all know how this works. Snow can be very difficult to forecast, and we'll just have to keep kind of watching the model trends and see how they play out over the next 24 hours or so. All right, folks, that will do it for today's weather briefing. Thank you for watching these as always. I do appreciate it. And have yourselves a wonderful Wednesday. Stay safe.